Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm glad you stopped in for a minute. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. Let's have some fun, all right? So I have an order here from GBFKE. Yep, GBFKE sent me some things to show you. Thank you to them so much. I got to pick out some wonderful things and I am excited to get into them. This one right here, I'm super excited about. Let's move this stuff out of the way so I can show them to you. I've got a few canvases and I got some special stuff here. Lots of special drills. Just going to put it out there. January, special drills. Smashing the specials with Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. Join us. I hope you have some special drill projects to work on. They're so much fun. Look at this one. Is like a wreath or like a fall. I call it a fall or something. And it has a snowman in it. The colors are going to be really pretty. I think it's blues and purples and stuff. I think it's going to be gorgeous. I love it. Love it, right? He's holding his lantern. It's pretty cool. Has 13 different drills, rhinestones and special shapes. Love it. I think this is going to be super pretty. It might be one I actually work on in January because I do snowmen in January. Take down those Christmas decorations and all the snowmen come out. I have quite a collection of snowman items. So I love my snowmen. Let's look at the drills and see what we have. Yeah, if you have never done Smashing the Specials with us before, please join us. Even if it's just one little item that you do, it would be fun, right? So we have green for our greenery focus, red, and this clear that comes across like as white most of the time. Not real white, but you know what I mean. All right, here's more colors. Oh, look at this pretty blue. That's going to be predominant in that painting. Love that. An orange. What is this? Like a brown, very dark color, whatever it is. Another orange and a green. This is a white AB. It's a faceted white AB, just like we're used to with our regular paintings. Super pretty. It's looking very pinkish to me. How about you? Looks pretty pink, doesn't it? It's going to be so pretty for like the snow and stuff like that. We have a faceted clear. We have some beautiful marquees. Those are gorgeous, like a cobalt blue. Those are so pretty. We have some clear, but they're iridescent. They're picking up other colors. That's another marquee. And we have some little teardrops, not tiny, tiny ones, but some teardrops nonetheless. And they've got an AB coating as well. Pretty, right? That's going to be fun to do. I need to spend some time getting my projects ready to go. At least, you know, a few to start with for Smashing the Specials. All right. Next, what do we have here? I have a feeling I have this a couple times. I don't know if it was my fault, if I ordered it from two different companies. I think you'll see it again later. But I loved it. I think I was trying to get a different one and I didn't put in the right number or something. Anyhow, I'm not going to complain. Probably one will go into a giveaway or maybe I'll give it to somebody in my life. I don't know. So here's its base. It's wooden. See, it's wood. This is wood as well, right? And he'll just sit right here in his little base when he's all done. Cute as can be. Cute as can be. It says love right there. That's going to show up. Love. Cute. He's got his hat. He's got hearts. He's holding a heart. I mean, how adorable is that, right? That will take not much time at all to finish that. And it'll be super, super cute. All right. Let's see what the drills look like. So since there is no legend here, we just go with what's on the bag matches what's on the piece, right? I'll show you how that works. So they are numbered. I. So the I is all through here and here and here. So see how that works? You just match up the symbol on the bag to the symbol on the piece. Another red, that's a pinkish color. This is a red. Here's another pink. Then we have a white AB, which is beautiful. And we have like this peachy color. There are no special drills. Well, unless you want to call the ABs special drills. But there's no marquees or round faceted or anything like that. That's what you get on this one. Pretty simple. but it's going to be super cute. Super, super cute. Isn't he adorable? Like I said, I'm pretty sure I just got this one again from a different company, but hey, something that cute. Can you have too many of them? I don't know. All right, let's put that away for now. Let's go to something that is not special drill. I think it's the only one that isn't. And it's this guy. See, I was talking about Snowman, right? I have another Snowman. And this Snowman has lots of friends. He's got his birdie friends over here. He's got a couple cardinals. He's got a bunny. He's at the bird feeder. Of course, he's going to have bird friends, right? And bunnies. Bunnies will come by the bird feeder and clean up some of the stuff on the ground and stuff. I was really surprised when I opened this. This has 35 colors. It's a 30 by 40, 25 by 35. And for these smaller paintings, that's a lot of colors. They're typically around 22, 24. 35, I was like, whoa, that's a lot of colors. I was really surprised. Let's bring it in close and look at his vest, his jacket, whatever he's wearing here. So you can see the drill field. See how clear it is, right? Perfectly clear. Nothing's blurry. Everything looks good. Love it. Wow. 35 colors. What in the world do we have that's making 35 colors? Let's find out. I'm really curious. We're going to go through these quick, so hold on. It's going to be quick. All right. Tan, green, orange, blue, gray. That's gray, but has a green hue. Blue, cream, purple, green, blue, tan, off-white. Okay. There's just a ton of colors. I was pleasantly surprised. I think that's going to make it look really nice. Some grays with blue hues. Lots of grays. Peach, more greens, a little bit of purple, a red, that's a very light gray, browns, another red, a dark gray. Oh, and that was it. That was it. Okay, we're done. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you think? You like it? I'm in love with my Snowman. I'm telling you. I'll have to take some video of the snowmen when the snowmen come out. I have lots of them. Lots of them. All right. Have I shown you a toolkit? They look like this. Every single one of them has come with a toolkit like that. Okay? So you have everything you'll need to diamond paint. There were several of these in this series. Very similar style. Different object. The picture was different, but there were several of them. I liked this one, the lantern, the lamp. I have a lot of these too for different holidays and stuff. I like them. And they got like little ornaments hanging off them. I can kind of envision this as you got a little lamp, you got some little diamond painting, little ornaments hanging off it, right? That's where my brain goes. Anyhow, I think it's super cute. It's got 12 different drills. You can tell we have some larger ones. We have some big ones here. We get some 9s there. Those are larger. So we're going to have some fun things. We get 11, 8, some larger drills. That'll be fun. I wish it was on more of like a colored background instead of just plain white, but I still think it's going to be really pretty. I think it's going to pop right off there. Let's look at, oh, well, we don't have slivers there. I was wondering if we were going to have slivers on our snowflake, but we don't. They're just going to be rhinestones. Pretty. Like I said, there were several of these. If you like that style, there were other objects, but they were all kind of in the same style. I like them. I like them a lot. All right. Let's look at its drills. What do we get? Oh, we're starting with 3. I hope 1 and 2 are in here somewhere. Here they are. There's 1 and there's 2. Red and clear. And I just found slivers. A lot of them. Where do those go? Look at those. All of those slivers. Where are those? Huh. I went to a logical place to look for them, and I didn't find them. So where are they? Oh, here they are. So these aren't going to be too annoying because it's just like 5 or 6 make a flower. Some here. These little flowers. Some here. These aren't going to be bad. When you just like put a few around like this, they're not hard to do. It's when you get a ton of them in the same place, it gets a little frustrating. Anyhow, okay, got that. Another red. What's that? Like a gray color. I think it's kind of a gray. A gold, black, green. Okay, so we have gold balls. Those are nice, very shiny. We have white pearls. There's those slivers. We have big gold and big red. Big gold and big red. So that's what our specials are. That's going to be super pretty. I'm going to have one heck of a time picking out some stuff to work on in January. I have so many choices. And every single one I open, I'm just like, I want to do that one. I like that one. I want to do that. I can't do them all. I'm going to give it a run for the money, you know. I'm going to try to get as many done as I can, but I don't know how many that's going to be. Chains. Look, we have chains. That means we have keychains. 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 Yes, we do. We have keychains. That goes there. Okay. You hang out there for a second. Okay. I thought for a minute these were like the thinner tags, but they're not. They're thicker ones. They're the keychains. And they are gnomes for Valentine's. Right? I can make one of these and give one to all of my sweethearts in my life. Don't take that the wrong way. I have Dale, I have grandkids, they're my sweethearts. So there's that one. How many are there? There's quite a few. 6, I'm going to guess. But then we have the girl. She's cute. I'm not a fan of this style hat. It reminds me of like the dunce hats. I'm not a fan of that hat, but I don't know. What's he holding? A mushroom or a heart? What is that? I don't know what that is. Guitar pick? What's he got? I don't know. This guy's little. He's small. He's a little bitty keychain. Look at him. He's got, that's a gumdrop. Gumdrop? Yeah, I think they're gumdrops. Candy. Valentine's Day. Of course. What do we have here? Here, we have this. Would you like that? We just got a piece of plastic. Okay. Got this guy. I think they're all little gumdrops. And we have this one. Cute. Cute. Look, these two are bigger, and these guys are kind of littler. But they're still cute. Super, super cute. All right? Okay. Let's look at our drills. We saw that we have clear. That's clear. We have some hearts. Pink hearts. Okay. Stop. Wants to keep focusing on that. Here's our keychains, the clasps. All right? What else do we have? This is like a champagne-y color. All right? Deep garnet red. Some pinks. Another pink. Just a dark smoky gray. Peachy color. These are larger. It's a larger pink and a larger black. And we have green. Green. Okay, that one threw me for a loop. We've got green in here? Why do we have green? Where's the Y's? Where do Y's go? X. Y. Okay, here on the pink hat. Okay. H. Okay, H makes sense. You know, I've gotten the wrong drills before for things, so I'm just kind of checking them to see if they make sense. H makes sense for that one. That looks like that's all rhinestones. Well, there's a couple H's. A is a heart. Okay, so that makes sense. The one that didn't make sense was Y, but I guess it's just going to go on the brim of this hat here. It's going to be the green. I think that's the only place it goes. All right, so you get some green on your hat. All right. Okay, well, that is what I have to show you from GBFKE. Thank you for sending those. If I do these in January, look, I've got little gifts for Valentine's, like I said, to give to the sweethearts of my life, right? I have 4 grandkids. I have Dale. There's 6 of them. Hey, I'll be all set, right? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you join us for Smashing the Specials. Do at least one. I mean, I try to encourage everybody, just try one. Just try one. So there's so many people out there who have never done anything with the rhinestones and the special drills. I'm like, just try one. You'll be hooked. You'll love it. Really. Give it a go. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. And all these will be linked below so you can check them out for yourself. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.